are we ready for DriftCon?
Yeah,
with the Civic?
Did an oil pan on this shit, dude?
Yeah, we just did an oil pan on this thing. Man, alright, so we are ready. Taking my beautiful baby RSX. We made it!
Somehow didn't blow up.
I know, right? That was crazy.
Got it!
How was the oil pan? We just did an oil pan on this thing. I mean, you guys can probably see it, but mint, is it mint? So that's why we're late out here at the Evergreen Speedway for the DriftCon. That's why we are so late, because we worked on his car, working on the oil pan gasket.
Next time we're gonna do a head gasket.
Next time? Next week, right?
Yeah, next week.
Next week? Alright, maybe next week. We're gonna do the head gasket. We'll see. Too beautiful. Swear right here, man. Ooh. Should this be my next drift car? Four-door R32 and then S13. Dude, this is pretty mint, I'll say. Not the four-door R32. Wow. Pretty sure this is my neighbor's car. The pink wheels. Boy, I gotta get this. Chris Neal, what's good? What are you doing?
Hello.
Hey, what's good? That's your girlfriend?
She's taking, bro.
That's good. She's taking, bro. Yo, should S13 be my next drift car? I don't know. Oh, it's right-handed drive. That's pretty cool. Or so rare for drift car. But look at this one JZ, man. This is beautiful. But the sad thing about this is automatic, but still looks good though. So, ooh, I love the steering wheel on this. Wow. Yo, this S13 though, SR20 in it. What do you say? The red cover SR20? What do you say? Dude, this thing is hella clean, dude. Oh, this is dope S14 though. Look at this thing, huh? Should this be my next drift car? I don't know, man. This is a hard decision. It's hard to choose what's a good drift car. R34 Skyline GTR. It's not just a regular GTR, it's a V-Spec 2 Nürburgring edition. My goodness. My freaking goodness. Oh my goodness. So if you guys didn't know, next year when I go back to Japan, I was planning on going back this year, but I'm gonna delay it to next year, because the reason why is that I'm thinking buying an R34 Skyline GTR back in Japan, because my grandma back there that lives back there, she has a completely empty garage. So I'm thinking just keep it there, and when it becomes legal in the state, just gonna bring it back here. That's the plan. Oh, I can't wait, man. I can't wait. I'll start saving up major money for next year when I go back to Japan. I know, I should not be spending any money on RSX, yeah, so I can get this beauty. Oh my goodness. Adam LZ shit right here. Whoa! That was dope.
You dropped this in my car.
That in your Civic? That? Jesus. Jesus. RSX, so nice. He just joined our group, Relentless. Oh. S15 with the LS in it. Huh. Interesting. Okay. Look at this. R32. This is Jack Ultra's R32 GTR, and he got an R34 engine in it. Beautiful S15. Oh, the red looks good on this. FD3X RX-7. I love the wheels too. I agree on that. Dude, this thing is dope. Yo, the interior though. Why is this guy not drifting? Turbo on this thing, huh? Yeah. Two rotor. And next to it, we got the AE86 with the Watanabe wheels on it. Boy, whose man is this? Boy!
Covered up everything with the fucking
I know, with everything though. Yo, whose man is this? Boy! So that's the brake fluid. That's the clutch for the clutch fluid. The oil filter just sits right there. The oil line goes down there and shit. Damn. Alright. I respect this guy, man. Alright. ripped this guy's rear bumper. Boy. Skyline. Suiso Batoru. Oh my goodness. Send right there. What do you say, huh? That's a full send. That's 13. Oh, that was so close. Oh my god, what is this? Broke too. These people are good. Yeah, get that up there, boy. That's drifting for you. boy, you doing it? What's her name? Nanako? Huh?
Whoa! This is.
Damn, you did it. Nice. That'll do for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in a comment below what kind of drift car I should get. Or what do you guys recommend? S13, S14, Chasers, Mark II, JZXs, you know. Just let me know. Sorare, all sorts of kind of stuff. Just let me know in the comment below what kind of drift car I should get. But probably I won't buy it because next year I'm planning to buy the R34 Skyline GTR, and I'm really trying to get the V-Spec edition. So yeah, what do you think, Raj? Should I do that rather than a drift car? Damn! Even yo, my boy's putting on stickers after stickers.
Here.
Damn!
Fucking every screw.
If you guys enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. If you're subscribed to my channel, you know what's coming. Peace out and stay thirsty, my friends. Did you know that only gay people buy Civics?
Bus, bar, second, the same thing.
Damn!